Belonging is at the heart of retention. When people feel like they truly belong, they're more likely to stay, to grow and to thrive. For me, belonging in Swansea Bay isn't just about having a job, it's about being able to show up as myself every single day. I've been lucky to work alongside incredible people who've welcomed me, supported me and celebrated my differences. The managers I've had have created space for me to be heard, to be seen and to learn, and that's what makes a difference. When we talk about retention, it's easy to focus on the policies or perks, but actually it's that feeling of connection, of being seen and valued that keep people here. I've experienced that firsthand, and as retention lead, it's my goal to help others feel the same way, because when we belong, we stay.